Hey guys, so today we're back with another Universal Yum video. I didn't get to post one in February because I was doing the 20-day cleanse diet. But it's all done now, so we're back to trying wonderful yummy snacks. So today's snacks are coming from France. Bonjour, bonsoir, oui, oui, no. I'm so excited because we finally get to try some snacks from friends. Let's see what we got for today's menu. Hey, it's Cassjcass and welcome back to my channel. Let's catch up. Subscribe for more. So to get started, we're gonna continue with our biscuit. That is butter biscuit. That is le sable de la mer polaire. French is so like, that's why I don't like French. It's always like blah 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 blah. Anyways. So this is how it looks. Well, okay. So this is how it looks. You know these cookies, like these boxes that never has cookies in them. When you actually do try those cookies, this is exactly what it tastes like. It tastes exactly like these biscuits, and it's really good. Okay, our next one is going to be that goat cheese potato chips. It does smells like goat cheese, honestly. It's really good. The only thing is just smells like cheese, but it is really good. So our next one is going to be the cake roll with raspberry filling. Okay. And of course, as I'm trying them, I'm also comparing them to the ones I've tasted. So there was like a pudding cake that I tried, and it was like it smelled old. But this one doesn't. It's just like it's too sweet now because I haven't had sugar since I did this diet. I haven't had sugar in a month, so that's the only thing with that. Our next one is going to be the strawberry bonbons. Ooh. So this is, they look like little gums. So let's see. It's a bit hard to chew. I think I'm supposed to just suck on it, but I don't have time for this right now. It's really good though. The kids would love this. It's just hard to chew on, and it tastes like gum. It tastes like strawberry gum. Our next one is going to be those chocolate truffle cookies. I had a bad experience last time, so let's see. Okay, they are a little you know, smushed, but like it came out whole. It's not the same thing as last time. It has these little things inside of it, like little cookie bites inside of it. But it's dark chocolate, so I love it. Yes, it's really good. So it's like the chocolate is eating the cookie. Usually it's like the cookie has chocolate in it, but they reverse that one. So that's what it is. I'm gonna have another one. Cause that one is really good. Comparing to the last one, I literally threw away because I was disgusted by it. But this one, thumbs up. For our yummy bag, we have the little popcorn chocolate truffles in it. I'm excited. And then those caramels. Okay, so that one is a bit smushed, but not all the way. So this is the chocolate popcorn. I wonder why it has popcorn in it, but let's see. So it's literally just like that one, except it has popcorn flavors, and the other one has what flavor again? Has cookie flavors. So it's the same thing. It tastes like those sweet popcorns. That's what it tastes like. But our last and not least is those caramel. Wait. So that's how they look. It's really good. But I only have half of it. It's really good. I just feel like I've had so much sweets and I'm gonna stop myself there. But it's, again, very chewy. It's caramel. So of course it's gonna be chewy, but it's really good. That was all the snacks they sent me. So let's rate them. So first, I'm gonna rate this one. Although I don't really like the cheese smell of it, but you know, it did say it had goat cheese. But these are super good. Like, it's a bit spicy. It's cheese. Oh my god. These are super good. If I ever find them, I will buy them. Okay? So that's first. Second one would be those biscuits. They're really good, and then because I also love the other ones as well, and I don't know if it's because of familiarity, but this is really good, so it would be second place. Third place would be these truffles. Last time I tried them, I believe from I don't remember which country I tried it from, but it was last time. But this one now it's third because it is really good and I love cookies, so third one. Our fourth and fifth one would be the popcorn flavored chocolate as well as the caramel. So that would be fourth and fifth one. Sixth one will be these cake roll because it was good and it didn't smell weird. And then this one is last, not because it's not good, honestly, it's because it was too chewy for me and super sweet. but it's really good as well. It's just like I feel like I'm not liking sweet things too much anymore, so that is it. But this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed just me trying different things from different countries. So I enjoy all the snacks, and even though you didn't get to try them yourself, I hope you enjoyed the video. But this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah.